And here's good news for those wishing to be part of the Philippine National Police. The DILG says more policemen will be needed for deployment in the country's barangays nationwide. Here's Alvin Baltazar with the details.
The Philippine National Police needs 60,000 more policemen. DILG Secretary Maro has pointed out that in able to attain the 1:500 ratio, total workforce of the PNP should at least at 200,000. Rojas said that they are finding ways to accelerate the 3,000 net hire every year, saying that they cannot meet the ideal ratio if they will follow the 3,000 yearly quota. The DILG chief said that they have to meet the 200,000 mark, especially that police forces are now beginning to be deployed to every barangay and that duty of policemen was shortened to only 8 hours.
Nag-e-expect tayo ng police presence, nag-e-expect tayo na police sa barangay na nagpapatrol. Kailangan talaga yung tao. 3 shifts a day, 3 shifts a to. Hindi naman na natitigil yung trabaho ng police pagka-sunset. No? So, yung 200,000 na kawani ng police ay talagang yan ang desired end state. Yan ang target natin.
In line with this, Rojas said that they will create a program so the target could be achieved within 2 to 3 years' time. But then, the DILG chief stated that they need to get the cooperation of the policymakers to assist them in acquiring the needed budget.
So, para sa ating mga kababayan, para sa ating policymakers sa budget process, maganda na bumuo kami ng isang programa na sa loob ng 2 o 3 taon, more or less, ma-attain natin itong target na ito.
But aside from additional personnel, Rojas also wanted to have more equipment for the PNP before the present administration's tenure ends in 2016.
Iko-consider din kung saan namin, ano bang gusto naming ma-achieve by 2016, by 2030. Yun ang kanyang mga iniisip. Ganun na rin kung ano bang ideal na dami ng equipment na dapat naming i-request, resources, and that includes yung personnel.
For the People's Television, Alvin Baltazar.